just gave Lakota a balloon. She's flipping out. You don't like balloons?
What's that?
Keegan doesn't care either way. He's just like, pet me. Dakota's like, what is that? Are you freaking out? Are you stressing? What's that in your environment, honey? She's never done this. Total flipping out.
Dakota,
What's
what's the
that?
matter?
What's that? Should we blow another one out? Should we blow another one up and see what she does?
Yeah.
Let's kick it and see what she does. She doesn't care.
Some kind of torture.
Dakota, honey, it's a balloon.
It's a toy.
Balloons scare you.
Cody, come here. Perfect.
Oh my gosh. Flipping out.
Her lid. There she comes. Come here. Come here.
Keegan's just like, what are you doing? Dakota's freaking out.
Cody, it's okay.
It's a balloon.
Just come see it.
It's a balloon, honey.
See it. It's okay. It's okay. Come see it.
Did she get attacked by a balloon when she was young? I don't remember or anything.
I don't think so. Just look at it. Just look.
What's the matter, honey? Keegan's just like, what's her problem?
Did you want to play with it?
Cody.
Oh, no, Keegan likes it. No, I was a little afraid too. If she made her afraid.
We better like pop it or do something. She's gonna have a heart attack. Good grief. Cody, it's okay. It's gone. She wants to see.
Oh, should I pop it?
Just pop it.
No, she'll have a stroke. Just cut the top.
Sure.